Alright, hopefully the video don't look too bad. What? Enough. Why would you start? Okay. So, this is my messy room, but I am doing something kind of different today. Where is... Oh, there it is. Okay. So, I had a client have her credenza. It's like one of those corner, you know, you open it up, but it's got these really wacky hinges. I mean, they're insane. Every time I open and close it, I feel like I'm going to pinch my stinking fingers. Yeah, so anyway, one of these broke. Like, meow. She busted good. And she bought some replacements. And of course, they look like meow, which at quick glance, you're like, oh, Sean, that's the same thing. And I thought to myself, I'm like, oh, that should work, yeah. No, wrong. They got different little thingy-mabobbers here. But they're close. They're very, very close. This one is actually the new hardware on the old hinge. And I got her to work. So the only thing inhibiado, the only thing keeping us from using those parts is this little guy. And if you can see, I have been and to get her to fit into the old hole. All right, let's see if we can get this back together. Oh, I hope you work. Dun, 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 dun. Go in your hole. Bloody hell. Trying to get that to go in there. I think we're close. Oh, you're not going in there. And the trick is also not to ruin the threads while I'm doing this. don't know how you don't work if you don't work this time. Get in your home. Not real smart, Sean. How are we going to get that out now? You know what? I don't want to cut it too much more because I might snap it off. The other one was kind of hard to get in, so that's what she said. So we'll I think we're gonna call her good enough before I destroy any more threads, which I can already tell I caught a few. All right, come on, get in there, come on. Yeah. All right. Do I have that right spot? Come on, guys. I think that's in the right spot. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We are in space. Hopefully you could see me doing that, because I'm not real good at filming. So she is in place. I just needed this to get basically flush like that. And then I'm not too worried about that holding down here, because you can screw her in place. The only problem that I might have is this is an adjustment screw, and it ain't gonna adjust much because of how it's cut. But these things have 30 million adjustments, and I think it'd still work. I just have to take it apart, unscrew it a full turn, so I won't be able to do like half turns. Oh, we'll see. And if she is available this afternoon, we'll go do it now. All right. See you in a bit. All right. So here is what I fixed. Got them attached. And they go here. Victory!